First of all, what an honor it is to be here on the stage in front of such visionary people. So intimidated that I'm part of this. At the same time, very grateful, very thankful to Allah Pak for giving me this opportunity to stand here in front of such big leaders, innovators, tech entrepreneurs. So whether it's tech or real estate industry, one thing is common. The feeling of growth, it's the passion. And one thing is common, that we both have challenges. At the same time, with those challenges, we face that हमें सारी resilience मिलती है. हम सोचते हैं कि हम जितने challenges आ जाएं, चाहे वो tight deadlines हो, चाहे आजकल सबके पास इंटरनेट का भी प्रॉब्लम चल रहा है. मतलब we're talking about prop tech, we're talking about innovation, we're talking about growth, but at the same time we face such heavy challenges. And real estate के अंदर ज़्यादा बड़े challenges होते हैं. सबसे बड़ा ये होता है, एक तो इतने बड़े स्टेक होल्डर्स इन्वॉल्व होते हैं, जिसमें आपके डेवलपर्स होते हैं, आपके इन्वेस्टर्स होते हैं, एंड ऑब्वियसली ब्रोकर्स होते हैं. तो इन दोज चैलेंजेस आपको इतनी ग्रोथ का और इतनी लर्निंग का मौका मिलता है. इट्स बिन 3.5 years I'm into real estate. We have created, and the topic which we're talking about and the organizers have invited me here today, I'm going to talk about, is inclusivity beyond gender. Now, empowering one group, which is us, Mother, I can use that as a card, being a woman, but I would want that we collaborate together as all genders, come forward, show our strengths. There are so many challenges we face as women, as men, as all genders. But if we work together, imagine, so you can build a very big skyscraper, like a tall skyscraper, which is seamless. There is no problem in it. And now nobody's going to notice what's the view if the elevator isn't working, you know? So, I mean, working together as inclusive genders, not worrying about कि इसने सूट पहना हुआ है, शलवार कमीज पहनी हुई है या पैंट सूट पहना हुआ है, हम इसको इस पे जज नहीं करेंगे. We're going to work together, we are going to bring our best foot forward, and we're going to thank Allah Pak, because that's why we are here. ये एक प्रोफेशनल नॉर्म नहीं है, ये एक इस्लामिक प्रिंसिपल है कि हम एक साथ मिलके काम करें, इनोवेट करें, कोलैबोरेट करें, and take the business forward. And I believe this opportunity that we have today, that Allah has given us, not us particularly, it is a way to go forward together. So let's team up, let's collaborate and create jobs, and thank Allah Pak. Shukriya everyone.